Okay guys, I had a really wonky signal, sounded awfully trashy. Actually missed it, I had to use my hand digger to pull it out, but wow, look at this thing, would you? That is gorgeous. That is an old sash buckle. Wow, that's cool. That definitely represents a different era. This permission is late 1800s, so that is truly a piece of American history. So let's try to clean it up a little bit and give you a better look at it. So that has some beautiful scrolling on it, and for a field clean, this is pretty cool. And